This is how Udemy.com looks like. Udemy.com is a platform where teachers can sell their courses and students can buy courses. There are so many categories and so many subcategories. If you look at the analytics of Udemy, they have steady, pretty much very steady 100 million, over 100 million monthly visitors. Most of them are direct visitors, they're teachers and students and the people who already know about Udemy. And these are the people who search 21%, search traffic 7%, social traffic 2.8%, email traffic. All the traffic are working for Udemy. So the business is good. If you look at the referrals, then most of the traffic, a lot of traffic from Udemy goes to PayPal, which means a lot of buyers there. If you look at the search traffic, then a lot of people already know about Udemy. So most of the Udemy search keywords are, the top search engine keywords are Udemy, Udemy login, Udemy.com related, and Udemy for business related. And they spend money, Udemy spend money to drive traffic from search engines. They spend money because the business is good. And their main keywords they bid for are Udemy, Udemy login, Coursera, Udemy courses, Udemy, etc. So it's an awesome business for Udemy because teachers don't have the technology, time, or ability to invest on building their own platform to sell courses. Students don't have that at all. So everyone needs a platform. Besides, Udemy has their own popularity and traffic. Don't worry about it. I'm going to solve all the problems I'm talking about here. Okay. Udemy has built-in traffic. So just uploading your course as a teacher can make sales all by itself automatically by Udemy from Udemy. Now that being said, as a teacher, it's a good business. You can just upload your course on Udemy and make money, but Udemy is getting the maximum benefits because Udemy builds all the list of customers and subscribers. Whether you want to become a teacher or you want to become a student, you have to subscribe to Udemy first. So Udemy is building all the lists. Udemy is getting traffic, all the referral traffic. Every teacher promoting their own courses on YouTube or anywhere else or website or anywhere else, Udemy is getting the traffic. Udemy is piggybacking other people's hard work and courses. All Udemy is doing is just feeding a hungry market of teachers and students who have the content and who are eager to buy, but they don't have a platform to do it and they don't have money or knowledge on how to drive traffic and make sales and make money from their courses. We are giving the maximum opportunity to our customers to become the owner of a platform like Udemy and get all the benefits that Udemy is enjoying. List building, piggybacking other people's contents and hard work, feeding a hungry market. And that is why we have built AcademyZPresso. So this is how our platform looks like. It's called AcademyZPresso. You can become an instructor or you can become a student. All these categories and subcategories are built in. Now I am joining as an instructor. Well, my documents submitted successfully, so I have successfully joined as an instructor. And yes, here is the admin panel where I have received the application, or the admin has received the application of the teacher. Just click here and click approve, update. Now this application has joined in the instructors list. Now I'm back to the instructors dashboard and click here, start teaching today. Go to course, manage courses, course list, and you have the chance to add new course. These are the basic information, requirements, outcomes, includes, pricing, media can be YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5, and this is SEO. Teachers can even withdraw their incomes from PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and Bank. Now here comes the best part. This is what I was actually talking about, traffic. There is an affiliate program. So affiliate program works in this way, referral. So if you look at the referral history, there is a way to decide how many referrals can give you how much discount. This is for the students. So basically, when students bring in new students, they will get discounts. This referral program can be decided from the admin panel with this section, how many referral count can give students or teachers how much discount. So let me show you, add new rule, and here is you can decide whether it is a student or it is a teacher, and how much count or the discount. What is the discount we are providing for which count? The email configuration area helps us decide which SMTP we're going to use. It can be any number of SMTP. Currently we have 2, but we will be adding more. Not Aweber, the other professional SMTPs like Mandrill, etc. So again, basically our customers are becoming as powerful as the owner of Udemy, and they can recruit teachers to sell their courses on our customers platform, and students can buy. So basically our customers are building list, making money, getting viral traffic, all by other people's